Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, so it means that we can show the B is a subset of A like that in the Venn diagram, right? After that, now add set C. There are prime within B, also within A, but not B. So prime is given in that set also. Prime numbers are given in A also. So C is also a prime number. So it means that C intersects the set A as well as overlap the set B. So that's why C is overlapping the set B, also overlapping the set A. So this is the set C given. And also outside A, the set C must overlap all these three regions. Thus, this is the Venn diagram notation of these three sets. Any problem?
No.
Okay, good. So this is also an example. Next one is sometimes numbers are marked on Venn diagram. So these are till now we have studied the Venn diagrams in which numbers are not mentioned, but sometimes numbers are marked on a Venn diagram to show how many elements there are in each part of the diagram. These are useful for solving practical problems about overlapping sets. For example, here is the universal set pupils in year 7. So year 7's students are the universal set in which P is the students which play piano, V is are the students which play violin, and C are the players which play cello, right? These Venn diagrams shows the number of pupils playing various combinations. So this is given as Venn diagram. How many 7 years pupil players play the piano? So it means that first of all we have to find the pupils which are playing just piano. The second question is we have how many year 7 pupils are there in total players are how many, how many of the violin players also play the piano. And also Fred says everyone in 7 year who plays the cello also plays the violin. Explain briefly with the Fred is right or wrong. So all these questions are given. So first of all we have to just look at the Venn diagram firstly. So you can see that the total number of piano playing students are 15 plus 3 plus 4, right? So you can see that 15 plus 3 plus 4. So the number of piano players are 22. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
Because all the numbers are in set P. So we add all the numbers. The next question is how many 7 years pupils are there in total? So how many total students? That are 15 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 12 plus 44. So your answer will be 85. So it means that the total 7 years students are 85. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next question is how many of the violin players also play piano? So violin and piano's overlapping sets are 3 and 4. 3 and 4 number of students are those which play piano, which are into the set P, and also into the set V, which plays violin. So it means that they are 4 plus 3, that are 7. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next one is Fred says every one in 7 years who plays the cello. Cello, who plays the cello? Cello plays 3 plus 7 pupil, right, also plays the violin. That's true because cello is the subset of violin. C is the subset of V. It means that every student which plays cello also plays violin. So you can check that the diagram shows that C is a subset of V. So Fred is right. Fred is saying that everyone in year 7 who plays cello also plays violin. So Fred is right in that case. Any problem? Because this is the subset of V. Do you understand this example?
Yes.
Okay. Here is the next example. If uh, some of the information appear to be missing, it may be helpful to use algebra. The next example shows you how this might be done. So in this case, now we are moving towards difficulty in Venn diagrams. So some of the Venn diagrams are given in which some information is missing. So we have to find the missing information by using the algebra. Okay. So the example is that 30 people took part in a transport survey. So total 30 people are took part in the transport survey. 16 of them said that they owned cars. 16 owned cars and 12 of them are said owns bicycle. 6 said they own neither a car nor a bicycle. Illustrate the information on a Venn diagram and work out the number of the people who said they own both a car and a bicycle. So both a car, a bicycle, it means that they are talking about the overlapping of the set B and set C. Set B is basically the number of the people who are owned bicycles, and C is the set of the people who own cars, right? So first of all, uh, we have to suppose that the universal set is the total number of the peoples in the survey. The C set is the car owners and B set is the bicycle owners. Let the numbers who said they uh, they own both bx. So he is asking about the number of the people who are who own cars as well as bicycle. So we don't know the number of those people, so we write these numbers as x. Okay, this is the Venn diagram. From the given data we have seen something that some number of people are owning both B and C. So that's why we draw the overlapping of these two sets into the universal set. Do you understand till now?
Yes.
Okay. The next one is, since the total of for C is 16, the total for C is 16. If we subtract from X, because the total number of the set C are 16 in which X are overlapping. So it means that this is the total, and we are dealing, this is the total, we are dealing with this part. So this part is equals to 16 minus X. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, again, we have the outside of B, that is 16 minus X. Similarly, the figure for the part of B outside C is the total number of the people are 12. We are dealing with just that case, that figure, so it will becomes 12 minus X. Any problem?
No.
Okay, good. So the Venn diagram may now be completed. So now this Venn diagram is completed and now we can solve this one. How? Since there are 30 people in the survey altogether, so the sum of all, where this 6 comes from? 6 comes from the numbers who are uh, who have neither the car nor the bicycle. It means that they are not included in C, not included in B. So this is the